Hi everyone, this is video for beginners of crochet, and in this video I'll show you how to crochet double crochet. I will use this yarn. It's yarn from Himalaya. It's called Setalux. They recommended a crochet hook number 6, but I will use crochet hook number 5. You can use what yarn you want. And now we can start crochet. Start with slip knot, and for example I will make chain 10. Okay, now we need to make extra 3 chains because we will make double crochets. That's why we will make 3 chains, extra 3 chains, and now you will insert the hook into the 4th stitch. Don't count the loop on your hook, so 1, 2, 3, and here is 4th stitch, and there you will insert your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook into the 4th stitch, yarn over, pull it through, and now you have 3 loops on your hook. So yarn over and pull it through 2. You have 2 loops left. So yarn over and pull it through 2. This is double crochet. We will make 1 double crochet in each stitch across. So make 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and practice to the end of this row. When you will make any projects with double crochet, and I mean working in rows, always make any number of chains plus extra 3 chains, and the extra 3 chains you will count like double crochet. For example, when you will make a blanket, you will make any number of chains, for example 60 plus 3 extra chains, and click on the letter I above. There will be link for blanket tutorial. We are at the end of the row, and you will make last double crochet in very last stitch. At the end of the row, always chain 3, and turn. And now you can see double crochets from previous row, and you have to make the same number of double crochets like in previous row. So we will not start with first stitch, we will start with second stitch, because the extra chains we will count like double crochet. So this is first double crochet, this is second, third, fourth, and you will copy the previous row. So yarn over, insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over again, pull it through, and now you have 3 loops on your hook. So yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over and pull it through 2. In the next stitch make 1 double crochet, and we will make 1 double crochet in each stitch across. So little practicing for you, and at the end of this row I will tell you what else. It's still the same, but I want to show you again. Okay, we are at the end of the second row, and you can see we have 2 stitches left. And if you are not sure, just count how many double crochets you have. And in this case, you have 11 double crochets. So count it, and you should have 11 double crochets. I have 9 double crochets, so I have to make 2 more double crochets. So 1, and here is the chain, 3 extra chains from previous row, and you can insert your hook between double crochets. I use it sometimes, but I think correct is when you will insert your hook into the 3rd chain. So insert your hook into the 3rd chain and make double crochet. This is last double crochet in this row. Chain 3 and turn your work. And we will repeat the same like before. So yarn over, insert your hook into the 2nd stitch, yarn over, pull it through, and make double crochet. You will make again 1 double crochet in each stitch across, and practice. If you will have any questions, just let me know below the video. You can use also my Instagram profile, so you can write me on my Instagram profile @ThomasSheep. If you like the video and if it's useful for you, I will be very happy for a like. If you don't subscribe my channel, just click on the button and subscribe. Then you will not miss any video from me. We are at the end of the 3rd row, so you can see you have 2 stitches left, so make 2 double crochets. And last double crochet make in 3rd chain, like before. Chain 3 and turn. Now make 1 double crochet in 2nd stitch and practice how many rows you need. So make 1 double crochet in each stitch across. And very last double crochet, make in 3rd chain from previous row, and you can see we have straight edges, and this is correct way how to make double crochets in rows. Chain 3, turn, and repeat the same like before. At the end of the row, always make sure if you have 11 double crochets. And that's all from me. I hope it's enough for you. And always at the end of any project I make slip stitch. Then I will cut the yarn. Okay, have a lovely day and see you at the next video. Bye bye.